inside?
The time machine.
A time machine. Guess what we're doing today?
Coloring. Where the castle, where the castle, where the castle.
My time capsule.
Let's do this.
We're going to do a coronavirus time capsule. Can we colour it in?
Yeah.
Let's colour the first page in. I chew! And I bin it, put it in the bin, and I go and wash my hands.
Two.
Put it in the bin. We're going to go and wash our hands. But what if we don't have a tissue? If we don't have a tissue, we do this. Chew! And we're sneezing it on. Well done, good job. Achoo! Achoo! So look, we've got other things like this. We've got some photos from this current time we could add. You could do a journal of your days. You can do some artwork and put it in here. Mummy, Daddy, you and your sister.
Yeah.
We've got an all about me page and it asks about your age. How old are you?
I'll be.
You're 3? Okay, it asks about your favourites. So what's your favourite toy? Food? What's your favourite toy? Toys, you just love all toys. Okay, what's your favourite colour?
Blue.
Blue, cool. And what's your favourite animal?
Pig. Oink, oink.
Oink, oink. Like Peppa Pig? What's your favourite food? Weetabix. Oh, hello. Is that your favourite food? And what's your favourite cartoon?
A TV.
TV is your favourite cartoon? The whole of TV. Okay. And what's your favourite book? What do you like reading?
Story.
You like any stories? And what's your favourite activity? What do you like doing the most?
Drawing.
You like drawing the most? Who's your best friend?
Money.
Oh, am I your best friend? Oh. And when you grow up, what do you want to be?
Myself.
You want to be yourself? That is a good choice. So the next page is how you're feeling. How do you feel?
Great.
You feel great? When it's all over, where do you want to go?
To the seaside.
To the seaside?
Yeah,
Oh,
to the seaside.
Enjoy seaside. Here you go, that's your page. Hello, is that yummy? Yeah. Okay, so the next page is my community, where I'm living during this time. So you can colour in your house, and it also talks about what things you are doing to help feel connected. So, do you use the phone to call Nana? Yeah. Do you send pictures to your cousins? Do you want to draw the house?
Yeah.
There you go. Okay, colour in the house. So what do you do to keep busy at home? So you do colouring and painting and making videos and playing with your sister.
Mommy, it's a heart.
Oh, that's nice. The next thing is a handprint. Print all the hands of the people in your home. Now do your handprint?
Yeah.
Okay, so like this, what you do is you put your hand and you draw around it. Yeah? Right. You want me to do it? Round and round and round and round and round. Hey, it's your turn. Round and round and round and round and round. There's yours. Yes. And then do mine. And that's mine and mine and mine and mine and mine. That's mine in purple. We have to go and get Daddy's. Daddy! Oh, we'll get him in a minute. So there's our handprints.
How about Daddy?
We'll go and get his one, yeah? Okay, so the next page is special occasions, and it's things that we celebrated while we was in lockdown, which was Easter. We spent Easter at home. We had Daddy's birthday. It was Daddy's birthday we celebrated as well.
And my my birthday, and my birthday.
Our birthday's later. And the last page is a letter to myself. So you write dear, and you write your name, and you write a letter to yourself. You want to write a letter to yourself? Go on then.
Bye guys.
Say bye.
Bye.
There's some really good links below if you need help how to explain coronavirus to children.
Bye bye.